there's a train coming. I saw some kid put something on the tracks, but I'm not gonna be able to get to it in time. I'm not sure what it is. I see it right here. Try to zoom in. Looks like Peter Pan or somebody. I'm not sure, but it's too late for me to grab them now. Oh man, he just got run over bad. Not very pretty. I don't think that's going to turn out very good, ladies and gentlemen. I tried to save him, but the train was coming and I wasn't going to take a chance on falling on the tracks or something. We'll just have to wait till the train gets out of the way and see what the aftermath looks like. I'm going to see if I can see him. Oh, he's down there underneath the wheel. All right, let's take a look, see if we can find this thing. I don't see it now. This could get pretty ugly. I'm looking around here. Make sure there's no trains coming. Oh, I see it. Oh, it doesn't look good. That's what's left. Oh, that is not, that's pretty bad.